simple and easy recipes, subscribe to Abeda's Kitchen and click on the notification bell for regular updates. Hey everyone, I hope all is well with each one of you. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy recipe of fried rice. So without much delay, let's get started. For this, we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To that, we'll add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Saute this for 30 seconds. To this, we will add half a cup of chopped carrots, half a cup of chopped beans, half a cup of chopped capsicum, and half a cup of chopped cabbage. Saute the vegetables on high flame for 2 minutes. In fried rice, we don't want the vegetables to be soft, we want them a little crunchy, so on a high flame we will saute it for a few minutes. Once done, we will add 3 cups of cooked rice. I have used Basmati rice here. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix this well and saute this on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, garnish it with 1 tablespoon of chopped onion leeks. And our fried rice is ready. Serve it with any side dishes of your choice. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Until then, take care. See you again. Thank you.